Hi everyone and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be doing another super easy zebra print abstract-y inspired nail art. Let's get cracking. So to start the design off, I'm going to go in with 2 layers of, guess what? Snow White. And yes, guys, we will be using black and white this video because, you know, it's zebra. It's not because I like it. So I've got a nice layer over here and I'm going to pop it into the lamp for the full length of time. Both layers cured. I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some gel residue wipe off solution and get that tacky layer off because I'm going to be using some foil now and I don't want it to stick on different areas of the nail that I'm painting on. So for this design I'll be using one of our gorgeous gold foils, if I can open it. So I'm going to be using this one over here, but I just wanted to show you guys how amazing this box of foils is. There's like loads of gold, silver, you've got obviously copper, I'm getting confused there. Yeah, copper and bronze, and then obviously you've got the holographic versions as well, so they're really, really stunning. But I'm going to be using this one today. And that's it. So I've got that layer wiped off and I'm going to go in with my foil glue, and I only want it to stick in certain areas. I'm going to dab a little bit on my palette and then paint with a brush on the areas I want the nail to stick, the foil to stick to, and that will be happening. Let me take this one. I'm going to be taking just a gel brush and just dipping it into that foil glue and just painting a couple of kind of, you know, stripes. One here and probably one here. Okay, so I've got this layer cured over here and I'm going to go in with my gold foil and just place it on the areas that I want the foil to stick on. And I'm just pressing it lightly. Now, it doesn't really matter to me if it transfers fully. I do like the effect of it being a bit kind of, you know, all over the place. So I'm just patting it on and then I'm going to pull it. And then we've got 2 gorgeous like little patches of gold on the nail. So now that this is done, I'm going to go in and start doing our zebra print. But before we do that, I'm going to be a babe and show you lot how to do zebra print. It's super easy, and I think they'll be cool if I just show you how to paint a couple of lines that are mainly used when you do that print, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a little blob on my palette, and I'm gonna use the palette as my kind of background as well, so I can paint the stripes for you. So I'm using a 0003 brush. You can use any brush really, depending what you're comfortable with. Zebra print and tiger print, by the way, are both kind of constructed from 2 types of line. So you've got the first line, which is just a general line that is very thick and it goes really thin towards the edges. So you've got one line like that, usually, okay? And then you've got a V shape that you paint usually, and that V shape is it varies in thickness, of course, but you can kind of paint a V shape this way and again, and then another line here, and when you add some V shapes and some straight lines that vary in thickness together it forms up the zebra print, the perfect zebra print. So this is like a little lesson just outside, but I'm going to do that on the nail now. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just pick up some paint and start painting my zebra print. So to start first, I'm just going to kind of border those gold blobs that we've put on the nail first. And obviously the thickness of the line doesn't have to be perfect. It looks a lot nicer if it's kind of, you know, random and uneven. And I'm going to do the same on here. So I'm going to go above the gold. I want this line to be slightly thicker. Got this. So we've created a bit of a border around those gold blobs. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the zebra print that I spoke about earlier to finish off the design. It kind of starts to form that zebra print pattern, you know. And I'm gonna be adding some of those lines just everywhere on the nail. So for here, for example, I think a V shape would be great. So I'm gonna go in and basically map out that V shape that I want to go on the nail. Oh, I just dipped into those lines that I drew. And then I'm going to go in and add another line here. And again, make sure you play with the thickness because it's nice to have different kind of thickness. The line should have different kind of pressure put on for it to look nice. Let me do another one here. And I'm gonna pop this into the lamp for the full length of time. Right, so I've got this layer cued, and I'm now gonna go in with our Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat and just apply a thin layer all over this goodness and pop it back into the lamp. Right, so I've actually, oh my God, that looks so cool. Look at that. I actually want to leave it this way, but I've planned to apply a shiny top coat on the gold bits just to make it pop out a bit more. But you know what? I'm going to add the top coat on top just because that's what I planned for. However, this is actually looking so cool. I'm loving it. So I've got the top coat on here, and I'm just gonna go in with a detailing brush, to be honest, because I want to cover a small area. So I'm just gonna literally go above the gold. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other one, just here. And I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. And this is the final result, guys. So we've got like a cool zebra print with a little bit of gold popping out. What do you think, Drew?
Yeah, it looks really cool, actually.
Yeah, I love it. Super simple and fun. Something that you can wear with like a whole set of like just black nails, or maybe white nails, or maybe a combination, you know. It's quite cool and super easy to wear this summer. I love it. I think it's super nice. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you'd like to see next. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care, guys.
Maybe worse. Just saying. Oh, by the way, guys, if you can hear some background, we've got some construction going on. Oh no, I meant on the video, not to them.
Ah. Oh.
Not to them.
Hello. Welcome back, Steffi.